All right, everyone. This is a Gulf Coast Palm Breeze 2 ceiling fan in my aunt and uncle's rental condo in Florida. This is one of the few in their condo, and this is in the spare bedroom. It's got this really nice fixture on it. I really like this globe. I really like the styling to it. It's just 4 blades, and yeah, it looks really nice. As for the airflow, there's really not much to it, but whatever motor it's using, I think it might be a 188 or 178 or 188. I cannot remember the specs on these. It is super strong. It's just that the blades weigh the motor down a lot. It's connected to this 3-speed control and light dimmer. That's really all there is for the light. And it does have pull chains, but they're cut very short. But it's already on high, so we don't have to worry about that. But let's go ahead and turn it on. We'll start it off on low. It doesn't move any air whatsoever on low or medium, but there's a slight breeze on high. But it looks cool. Personally, for me, I would have a little floor fan there, maybe just one by the little nightstand, and that'd be my setup. I would use this for looks and nothing else at all, but it does look cool. Here's medium. And just because of these poofy blades, they make quite a bit of noise. Now I'll put it to high. And I'm feeling a slight breeze, but very little. Like I said, the nature of these palm leaf bladed fans are more for looks than anything. Which I think is kind of ironic because in Florida it gets pretty hot. But I guess when you have a really good AC system, you don't really need a ceiling fan, but I always digress. Gotta have the ceiling fan. Yeah. And there you have it. That is the Gulf Coast Palm Breeze 2. Thank you so much for watching.